Hello students, welcome to BTech 360. The CSAP counseling is just about to start because the JOSA counseling just ended also. And what we're going to talk now, because a lot of students have demanded this from us, they wanted to understand the CS and Allied Sciences branches, CSC, and everything allied to CSC, number of seats that are there across NITs, IIITs, and GFTIs. So what we're going to talk now is the CSC and Allied branches that are there in the CSAP counseling that you can always lay claim to. And we'll talk about each of the NITs, each of the IIITs, and all how many seats are there, home state, non-home state, all those details is what we're going to discuss here at this point in time. We're talking about vacant seats, analysis of 2026. Remember, when you deal with CSAP counseling, even if you got a seat in JOSA in one of the NITs, IIITs, and GFTS, you can still go through the CSAP counseling, which is Central Seat Allocation Board, to understand whether is there a possibility of an upgrade also. So do go through CSAP counseling because there might be a possibility of an upgrade for you people. Now, a lot of you also have reached out to us saying that you wanted greater help in getting into one of the private universities because maybe some of you might not be getting the right college or the right program or the right branch of a choice. And so, to that extent, we opened a helpline for you. This is the helpline 8130-376-334. Just send us a message, apply, and one of our university counselors who deals with private universities will call you up. If you want to get into any of the foreign university campus that are setting up in India, and there are about 12-15 of them which are setting up campus in India, do send us a message foreign on the same number and the counselor will call you up. Do subscribe to Career 360 because we're creating a lot of information to help you decide for yourself in the best possible way. We're collecting and collating data and putting it together. And this information and guidance series is presented by Amity University, one of India's leading universities and also ranked among the top 3% globally based on the World Universities rankings. Coming to the CSAP counseling now. Now the total seats, and let's start with NITs now. I'll do the IIITs and GFTs as I move along. Let's talk of NITs now. In NIT, the number of seats that have moved to CSAP counseling is 4,850. That's a massive number. 4,850 seats are there under the Central Seat Allocation Board only in NITs that will be filled up by CSAB. Of this, the CS and Allied branch total is 843 of them. We always think that CS is completely filled in and all. No, 843 seats are there even in NITs in CSC and allied branches which are still not filled in. Of which the home state seats are about 362, where you actually have a greater opportunity of getting in because the rank range is slightly weaker here. Outside the home state is 457, Goa is 3, J&K is 19, and Ladakh is 2. So in all you have 843 seats, of which outside the home state quota is 457 and home state quota is 362. Then now what we'll talk about is at a NIT level, how many seats are there? We'll also talk about that. NIT Durgapur, BTech CSE. So Durgapur is very good, but remember, BTech CSE, you actually have 30 seats in the home state quota and 8 seats in the outside the home state quota in all 38. NIT Delhi has 24 seats in the home state quota, 12 seats in the outside the home state quota, and in all 36 seats. NIT Silchar has 12 seats home state quota, 18 outside the home state quota, in all put together 30. NIT Calicut 16 home state, 13 outside the home state, and 29 in all. NIT Kurukshetra 9 home state, 14 outside the home state, in all 23 seats are there. NIT Puducherry 12 home state, 10 outside the home state, in all 22. NIT Agartala 11 home state, 10 outside the home state, 21 in all. NIT Nagpur 9 home state, 10 outside the home state, in all 19. NIT Manipur 8 home state, 10 outside the home state, in all 18. Moving further, SVNIT Surat 6 home state, for BTech AI, 6 home state, 12 outside the home state, and in all 18. IESC Shivpur, BTech CSE only, 8 home state, 9 outside the home state, in all 17. IESC Shivpur again, BTech Information Technology, 12 home state, outside the home state is 5, in all 17 seats are vacant even now. MNIT Allahabad, BTech CSE, 3 home state, 14 outside the home state, in all 17 seats are there. NIT Agartala, BS and MS dual degree mathematics and computing, 6 within the home state, 11 outside the home state, in all 17 seats are open. SVNIT Surat again, BTech CSE, 6 within the home state, 10 outside the home state, 16 are still open. NIT Arunachal Pradesh, BTech CSE, 7 home state, 8 outside the home state, in all 15 are open. NIT Karnataka Surathkal also is available now, 6 are home state, outside the home state is 9, in all 15 seats are available. It is one of the best NITs that you have in the country, remember that. NIT Trichy again is very, very good NIT, 8 in the home state, 7 outside the home state, in all 15 seats are available. Moving further, NIT Warangal, again one of the best NITs that you have in the country, is far better than if you take away the top 6 IITs, This ranks up there. After the top 5, 6 IITs, this ranks up there. NIT BTech CSE again, 7 home state. Outside the home state is 8. In all, 15 seats are still there. NIT Patna BTech CSE, 6 home state, 8 outside the home state. In all, 14 seats are there. MNIT Bhopal BTech CSE, 4 home state, 9 outside the home state. In all, 13 seats are there. NIT Raipur BTech Information Technology, 6 home state, outside the home state is 7. In all, 13 seats are there. NIT Kurukshetra BTech AI and Data Science, 6 home state, 7 outside the home state. In all, 13 seats are there. NIT Kurukshetra BTech Mathematics and Computing, 6 home state, 7 outside the home state. In all, 13 seats are there. NIT Mizoram BTech CSE, 6 within the home state, 7 outside the home state. In all, 13 seats are there. NIT Hamirpur BTech CSE, 5 home state, 7 outside the home state. In all, 12 seats are there. And NIT Kurukshetra BTech AI and Machine Learning, 4 home state, 8 outside the home state, 12 in all seats are there. Moving further, NIT Roorkela BTech CSE, 6 are within the home state, 6 outside the home state, in all 12. IESC Shibpur BTech Mathematics and Computing, 5 home state, 6 outside the home state, in all 11. NIT Raipur BTech CSE, 2 home state, 9 outside the home state, 11 are there. SVNIT Surat, you actually have integrated BTech and MTech AI, 7 home state, 4 outside the home state, in all 11. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar NIT Jalandhar, BTech CSE, 3 home state, 7 outside the home state, in all 10 seats are there. NIT Karnataka Surathkal, BTech AI, 4 within the home state, 6 outside the home state, in all 10 seats are there. NIT Nagaland, BTech CSE, 2 within the home state, 8 outside the home state, in all 10 are there. NIT Kurukshetra, BTech IT, 8 within the home state, 2 outside the home state, in all 10 are there. NIT Uttarakhand, BTech CSE, 5 within the home state, outside the home state is 5, in all 10 seats are there. Moving further, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar NIT Jalandhar, BTech Data Science and Engineering, 4 within the home state, outside the home state is 5, in all 9 seats are there. MNIT Jaipur, BTech AI and Data Engineering, 3 within the home state, 6 outside the home state, 9 seats are there. NIT Calicut, BTech Mathematics and Computing, MTech in Mathematics and Computing, dual degree program, 4 home state, 5 outside the home state, 9 seats are there. NIT Delhi, BTech AI and Data Science, 6 within the home state, 3 outside the home state, in all 9 seats are there. NIT Durgapur, BTech in Mathematics and Computing, 4 within the home state, 5 outside the home state, 9 seats are there. NIT Jamshedpur, BTech CSE, 3 within the home state, 6 outside the home state, in all 9 seats are there. MNIT Jaipur, BTech CSE, 2 within the home state, 6 outside the home state, 8 seats are there. NIT Sikkim, BTech AI and Machine Learning, 2 within the home state, 6 outside the home state, 8 seats are there. Further, NIT Kurukshetra, BTech Industrial Internet of Things, 4 within the home state, 4 outside the home state, in all 8 seats are there. BNIT Nagpur, BTech Mathematics and Computing, 5 within the home state, 3 outside the home state, 8 seats are there. B.R. Ambedkar NIT Jalandhar, 3 within the home state, outside the home state is 4, in all 7 seats are there. NIT Karnataka Surathkal, BTech Information Technology, 4 within the home state, 3 outside the home state, 7 seats are there. NIT Sikkim, BTech CSE, 2 within the home state, 5 outside the home state, 7 seats are there. NIT Andhra Pradesh, BTech CSE, 2 within the home state, 5 outside the home state, 7 seats are there. B.R. Ambedkar NIT Jalandhar, BTech Mathematics and Computing, 1 within the home state, 5 outside the home state, 6 seats are there. NIT Meghalaya, BTech CSE, 4 within the home state, 2 outside the home state, 6 seats are there. NIT Roorkela, BTech AI, 4 within the home state, 2 outside the home state, 6 seats are there. Further, NIT Mizoram, 4 within the home state, 1 outside the home state, 5 seats are there. SVNIT Surat, BTech Mathematics and Computing, 2 within the home state, 3 outside the home state, 5 seats are there. BNIT Nagpur, BTech CSE, AI and Data Science, 2 within the home state, 3 outside the home state, 5 seats are there. MNIT Jaipur, BTech Mathematics and Computing, 2 within the home state, 2 outside the home state, 4 seats are there. NIT Hamirpur, BTech Mathematics and Computing, 1 within the home state, 3 outside the home state, 4 seats are there. NIT Surathkal, BTech Computational and Data Science, 1 within the home state, 3 outside the home state, 4 seats are there. NIT Patna, BTech AI and Data Science, 4 seats outside the home state are there. Further, moving further, NIT Patna, BTech and MTech dual degree, CSC with specialization in cybersecurity, 1 home state, 3 outside the home state, 4 seats are there. NIT Patna, BTech and MTech dual degree, CSC with specialization in data science, 3 within the home state, 1 outside the home state, 4 seats are there. NIT Warangal, BTech CSE, AI and Data Science, 1 within the home state, outside the home state is 3, and in all 4 seats are there. NIT Warangal, BTech Mathematics and Computing, 2 within the home state, 2 outside the home state, 4 seats are there. Motilal, MNIT Allahabad, BTech Mathematics and Computing, 3 seats are there, which is outside the home state. NIT Roorkela, BTech and MTech in Mathematics and Computing, 1 within the home state, 2 outside the home state, 3 seats are there. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, NIT Jalandhar, BTech AI, 2 outside the home state seats are there. NIT Hamirpur, BTech and MTech dual degree, two outside the home state, two seats are there. MNIT Bhopal, BTech and MTech dual degree, mathematics and data science, one seat is there outside the home state. NIT Patna, BTech and MTech dual degree, mathematics and computing technology, one seat outside the home state is there. NIT Kurukshetra, BTech and MTech dual degree, CSE is one seat outside the home state is there. NIT Manipur, BTech and MTech dual degree, CSE, one seat is there outside the home state. NIT Srinagar, you actually have BTech CSE, 8 for JK, Ladakh is 1, and in all 12 outside the home state, in all 21 are there. NIT Srinagar, 11 are for Jammu and Kashmir, 1 for Ladakh, outside the home state is 10, in all 22 are there. NIT Goa, 8 are outside the home state, in all, and 3 for Goa itself, in all 11 are there. So that is what you have. The number of seats that you, as I told you, is about 840 plus seats are there for you to actually go through, because these are CS and allied branches which are very, very difficult for you to get. But so many seats are available in the CSAP counseling, which is Central Seat Allocation Board. Do go through that. Even if you got some seat in through JOSA counseling, you can go for an upgrade here. And lot many seats that are not visible here can be visible for you as they keep opening up as you move along. So remember that. And if you still need any help in getting into a college beyond and the public institution that you have, send us a message, apply on this number, 8130376334. This is the number, 8130376334. Send us a message, apply, and we'll actually have a counselor call you up. And if you want to get into any of the foreign campuses that are being setting up campus in India, foreign universities which are setting up campus in India, which are all UGC approved, Government of India approved, send us a message foreign, and one of our counselors will call you up. Do subscribe to Career 360, because we are creating a lot of content to help students take a very informed decision. And this information and guidance series is presented by Amity University, one of India's leading universities, and also ranked among the top 3% globally based on the World University ranking. If you want me to cover anything else, please write to me in the message box here. I'll be happy to cover that for you. Thank you so much. Namaste.